Hi, it's Fly Ty and Jacinda for Compare Foods TV. Got a question for you. Do you love to cook? Do you love food? Do you love cooking international food? Do you love showing others how to cook? Do you love Compare Foods?
Yes! Yes!
Well, if you've answered yes to all of these questions, Compare Foods are looking for food enthusiasts just like you.
Yeah, he's exactly right. But can you please put that up, sir?
I'm ready to cook!
Sir, put that down.
Okay.
My goodness. Fly Ty is absolutely right. We are looking for you to possibly join our family here at Compare Foods with Cooking with Compare. So record a video of you cooking your signature dish, 2 to 3 minutes long, upload it to Instagram, and make sure you tag us at Compare Foods CLT. Make sure your family and friends show you some love. We want to see you shopping for your ingredients here at Compare Foods. We want to learn more about you, so make sure you click that link in our bio, fill out that short questionnaire, and here's the due date, Ty. You have between July 6th through July 20th to do your thing, because we're looking for you to join our family here.
We want you to join Cooking with Compare Family. Now listen, we're going to announce the winner August the 10th. So good luck and get to cooking.
It's Fly Ty and Jacinda with Compare Foods TV.